Hi all, how you all doing? This is Anusha and today I'm here with an unboxing video. I just today received this great box from Book Bin Box. This is the Winter Fun box. Book Bin Box is run by this amazing girl called Swarnali. So she comes out with a box every month and she sets a theme for every box of hers. So she has only 20 boxes and she opens the bookings around say 20th of a previous month, say for November. She opens the bookings on 20th November and then she closed the bookings by 10th December and she started shipping out around 15th, such that it will reach us that month itself. So I think that's really great. There's very less waiting time for her box. But I ordered this almost when the bookings opened only, so I've actually forgotten what goodies were supposed to be in this. So let's open and we'll see what is all inside. Okay, already opened this tape, couldn't wait. Oh, did you see this? First of all, there's this really nice paper art that she has done and written. Okay, as I open, if you can see it says to Anusha from Book Bin, which is cute. And then here's the box. We have a cute little paper quilling art done with a candy cane for Christmas. And it's a letter by Swarnali to me. It says, thanks for purchasing this box. It made my day and I hope this box makes yours. Yay, thank you, Swarnali. And then we have this, and I'm glad that she's used paper, sellotapes and not the plastic ones because, good. I mean, she's not used plastic at all much in this box, and I'm very glad about it. Let's look at the goodies. So, first is this amazing Friends themed tote bag. It's so pretty. The color is so eye-catching, attractive, and it's so nice. And it has some great, characters. The print looks very nice. And say Joey doesn't share food. You're my lobster, and it's really nice. It's a tote bag. Even the insides are nice. And obviously, since we're all ditching plastic, I can't have enough of tote bags at all. So this is such a useful goodie and really nice selection, Swarnali. Next we have socks. So this is a winter fun box, and what is winter without socks to keep our feet warm? And that is a cute ankle socks. Yeah, I mean look at this, it's so cute and it's like pretty grey color. I really liked it, it's very nice. Okay, next we have a crochet bookmark. So this is very innovative. I've not ever seen a crochet bookmark, and this is very nice actually. It's handmade and it's really cute. Next we have these two little amazing scented candles. So it smells like really good actually. It has dried flower petals also on it if you see, and the best part is it's not like attached to it. It just easily comes out of the bowl, and that is something I like because once it gets over, and if you want to make your own candle flavor or whatever with any fragrance you want, you can easily put it into this holder and do it. So this is really cute and I like the size, and I like that it's made of glass also. It's really nice and the fragrance is also very good. So this is something that I really liked in the box. Next we have a notebook. Look at the cover, guys. It's so nice. It's a hard cover book, by the way. It's a hardcover book, and it has these important dates also in the back. Very nice texture. It's a ruled notebook, and getting a lot of notebook these days, but obviously notebooks are always welcome. It's good quality. It's very nice actually. Really like this. And last we come to the most exciting part, which is the book itself. And I had chosen is amazing book. So I cannot wait to read The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I've been seeing this book everywhere on Bookstagram, and everybody has only great things to say about this book. And I think I'm a little late to the party, but better late than never. So yes, I'm finally gonna read this book. Wow, this is very nice. Yeah, I know she's used only like paper shaving also, see, instead of like bubble wrap or something. So that is very nice. So yeah, you saw everything that's in the box. Now I'll tell you a little bit about the box if you're planning to buy one. So yeah, she actually comes up with the box every year, every month with a theme, like I told. But she actually gives you the choice to select a book. So even she actually chooses two book on her own, and she gives you the option to choose one of them. But in case you have a different option that you would rather go with, then you can tell that to her, and if it's possible, she will include your option also. That is how I chose this book. That is one, that is something that I really liked, because obviously you're getting the book of your choice plus some goodies. The whole box including shipping costed 1200 rupees, which I think is a very decent amount. Book boxes usually start from 1.2k and above. That too, it's not even a second hand book, it's a brand new book. So that is a good price, and the goodies are also nice. I mean, socks and tote bag and candles and crochet bookmarks. So there were a good amount of goodies also. So I really liked the whole, I really liked Bookbin box, their service, and I was like, the tracking, she had sent the tracking ID, and if any doubt, you could just text her and she'll get back to you. Even today, in fact, she was also tracking my order, I guess, because she pinged and said, hey, your order is going to arrive today. So I was like really happy that when she knew, and she's like, yeah, let me know once it comes and how you find it. And also that kind of a personalized experience is there in this that you probably won't find with bigger book box companies. That is really nice. So I actually have already ordered her January box also, because she came up with such a great theme, for January. It's called Green Posh Box, and it's about sustainability and nature. It's still live, guys, so I would really urge you to go check out and buy that box, because she is coming up with amazing nature related merchandise, in that there are a lot of resin pendants and rings and such amazing goodies. So really check that out, it's a great deal. Yeah, that's was my review. The only suggestion probably I have for improving is, I mean, book boxes usually we tend to sometimes focus more on the goodies than on the books. So maybe including two books would also make sense, even if they can reduce like a goodie or two. So maybe Swarnali, upcoming, you can consider that also, because like, we can never have enough books, and if you get books with some goodies, then it would be like really really good. But other than that, Bookbin box, I'm totally happy with it. This was my fourth box, by the way, as in totally book boxes. I've tried TBB, I've tried Reader Store, I have tried Shelf ebook, and this was my fourth book box, and I have like very little complaints with Bookbin box. So check out Bookbin box, check out Swarnali's pages, and buy her January box. I'll also come up with an unboxing for that. Okay, that was me today. I'll see you next time when I get a box to unbox. Till then, bye bye.